Hello artists, I'm so excited you're here today. We're going to learn how to create a patterned pumpkin that focus on our elements of art. We'll be looking at line, shape, space, form, color, value, and texture. We're going to begin this lesson with a few materials such as a Sharpie, a pencil, and a black quick stick. The first thing that you are going to do is take a pumpkin template and begin holding your hand in the center of it and tracing all the way around a nice smooth line. Then you're going to share that pumpkin template with your neighbor. Now that that's done, you're going to move it to the side and we're going to focus on trying to make our pumpkin have form or look three-dimensional. The segments in a pumpkin are not straight lines, they're curved. So we're going to start from the center point of the pumpkin and make a few curved lines on both the left and the right side. Notice how I'm following my line along the top curve of the pumpkin and coming back around and meeting up with that bottom line. Now we're going to have several different sections, and in each of the sections we will add color or pattern. Now we're going to use our quick stick. A quick stick is a black paint that's in a stick form, and the nice thing about it is it dries in about 90 seconds. So you're going to outline all of the lines on your pumpkin, including the stem and those segments. Once you've finished adding those segments, you are going to roll down your quick stick, making sure that you put the cap on nice and tight, and then you are going to let it dry for 90 seconds. The next step is to begin adding patterns in every other section of the pumpkin. Remember, patterns are made of lines, shapes, and spaces and are something that is repeated. So think about a variety of different types of lines, curvy, bumpy, angled, and think about some shapes that you could add into each section in a repeated fashion to create some patterns in alternating sections of your pumpkin. The last step is to add color, and we're going to be using fluorescent oil pastels. You're going to be using these to go into each section and you're going to begin blending colors. So you're going to have to think about your color choice. Notice here I'm using a yellow oil pastel first, and then I went to an orange, and I'm overlapping where these colors meet. The next one I'm going to is a pink or red color, and I'm overlapping with the orange so that I'm making a nice smooth transition or gradation between my colors. You can also create some different value blends by going from a light green to a dark green or a light blue to a dark blue. In order to try and figure out which colors are going to blend seamlessly, you're going to want to look at a color wheel. A color wheel is going to help you decide which colors will blend. Anytime you use analogous colors or colors that are next to each other on a color wheel, you're going to know that those colors will blend. You're going to begin creating these colors in each of the sections in order to finish up your pumpkin. Don't forget to do your stem as well. Play around with different color combinations, add it in nice and smooth so that you're filling in all of the different white areas, and watch your three-dimensional pumpkin form.